What is up, you guys? This is Tika here. Yeah, this is just a tutorial for you guys. Enjoy. Today are really the Elf Camo 16-hour concealer and also the Juvia's foundation. Before I review anything, I just want to let you guys know that the 16-hour camo concealer by Elf was sent to me for reviewing purposes. That's just a disclaimer that I just have to let you guys know that. Alright, anywho, let's get into the video. You guys enjoy. We're gonna start off by prepping my face with Mellow Universal Hydrating Spray. So you guys, this is like the best spray in the world. It is a universal spray, so you can use it for several reasons. You can use it for prepping and priming. You can use it for hydration. You can actually use it to close your pores. So I'm just gonna start off by prepping my face with my Universal Hydrating Spray. So next I'm going to start with my primer. So with my primer, I do use the La Base Pro by Lancome. This is my favorite primer. I've been using this primer for years, literally. Ever since I was working with Clinique. So this is just one of my favorite primers. So next we're going to do my brows super quick. It won't take too long. I'm going to start off with a brow pencil that I literally got from the hair store. This pencil doesn't even have a label on it. It's just a pencil that I got for $1 at the hair store, and that's really what I use for my eyes. So I'm going to use my little spilly brush to brush my eyebrows out. I'm just filling them in. I like to extend my brows just a little. I know that look crazy right now, but we're gonna blend it out. It's okay. So yeah, these are my brows. So next, you guys, this is really important, which is using your schoolie to really get in there with your eyebrows. But they're just not gonna look the best if you don't have a spoolie. On my eyebrows, I will be using my Makeup Forever concealer. Okay, so these are my brows. They're a little uneven, but actually, let me try to even them out a little bit. Look on camera. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Universal Hydrating Spray and a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out my brows. Well, there's the secret to my eyebrows. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my eyeshadow base. So the eyeshadow base that I use is by Smashbox, the Smashbox 24-hour shadow base. And I'm going to take my blending brush to blend it out. Y'all, I have no idea what I want to do for my shadow, so we just gonna play. And whatever happens, happens, right? I'm going to use a mixture of NYX, and we're also gonna use my Morphe 35B palette. You feel me? We're gonna use these two palettes. Alright, I think I want to do something with yellow because my background is yellow. So I really want to start off with a red base. Why? I don't know. I'm just feeling it right now. So we're gonna go in with this color. Alright, you guys, and just for future references, if you want your color a little more intense, I do recommend you using the patting method, which is patting your color in instead of wiping it in. I just like wipe mine in because I really didn't know how intense I wanted my color. We're going to use my Patrick Star, and we're just going to use the white and the Patrick Star just to fill in our top area, just to blend it out. And boom, there we go. So next, I'm just going to take my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go in with yellow and orange because those are the colors I'm feeling right now. So I'm going to use double my yellows. So I'm going to use one yellow from my NYX palette, and then I'm going to use another yellow from my Morphe palette. So I'm going to take my Morphe palette, and we're just going to go in with this orange color. And then we're going to take this red color again, and we're going to intensify it just a little more at the end, just to give it like a rah-rah ombre. And by the way, I would not recommend anyone to use the same brush when you are blending out your color. I always recommend for you to use a different brush, but my colors are so similar, I'm not tripping. But usually I would have used like different brushes. I went on ahead and did my eyeliner and my one eyelash off camera, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do this other eyelash really quick. Cool. Basically, I will have all the products listed in the description if you guys are interested in anything that I use. But everything that I use, I really mentioned it in the video. But if you guys missed anything, I will have everything listed in the description. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Guys, let me know if you guys have a particular look that you want to see, or if there are any particular videos that you guys would like for me to upload, or any Q&A videos. Feel free to let me know. Like, I got you. Like, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's bomb that you guys were here today. Love you guys so much.